Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. The topic for today is CSS link colors. We have seen how to create links using HTML, but we have not seen how to style links. So styling of links is done using CSS. So we have different programs created, styled to make you understand what all styling is possible for the links. First is how you can change the color of the link. So we have now 4 links. Okay. Now what are those 4 links? First is a colon link. That is a normal link. When you put the tag, that is your a link, which is unvisited. You have created the link, but you have not clicked on it yet. You have not visited that link. That is unvisited link. Second is a visited. What do we mean by visited? A link the user has visited. If you click on it, it means you are opening that link. So that is visited by you. A colon hover. A link where the user mouses over it. When you take your cursor over something, that is hovering. So if you hover over it, that is a colon hover. And active. A link the moment it is clicked. Once you click on the link, it becomes active at that moment. So we have different programs to change the color, to decorate it, to give underline. Then we have option to add background color also for the links. For you can add different color for each type of the link. Then we have the option to create button also, link button. So there is a link, but it appears as a button. Let's look at the code. The first is link colors. So we have created a simple link using hash. We have given hash because we're not adding any file for now. To style it, we have used anchor tag. We have written A, that is our links tag, and we have given the color hot pink. Let's go to the link color. See, this is a pink color. Style a link with the color. The next program is about hovering. Now we have different types of link and we hover it differently. So for each link, we have given separate color for hovering. If you go to unvisited link, that is red, which you have not seen yet. Visited, which you have already visited once, that is the green color. Mouse over link, that is hot pink, if you have your mouse over it. And the selected link, that is blue, the active, which is the current one. For that we have given blue. We are just writing the A colon, what you have to do. That's hover link. So when you take, it's coming pink. So you see, it's coming pink. What is pink color for? Hover. Okay. Now let's make it active. We have already visited it. That's blue. You see, it changed to blue for the active when our cursor is over it. And for the visited, we already opened the link, so it turned to green color. We are not able to see this red color because we have already opened the link. We are not able to see this red because link is already visited. This is for unvisited link. This is about hovering. Now let's see the text decoration. Now when my cursor is over it, you can see an underline. You can see an underline over it, that is hovering. For the active, once you click it, then it becomes active. So I'll just click it, you can see there is an underline. So when it is active, that time also we want underline to be there on our link. So this is the thing about text decoration. Now background color, we have given the different background color to each link. See, it's blue color. Now what is the blue color for? Visited. I have already clicked on this link, so it is visited. Otherwise, when we take our hover over it, it is green color. You can see for the hovering is light green. For the active, see, when we try to click on it, it turns pink. That is your active link. For active, we are changing it to pink. Now we have the link button. Let's see the link button. So we have created the simple link. Everything is about styling. So for A colon and the visited, for both we have to create a button. So we have given the background color. I'll change the background color to consider now blue. The text color is white. We have specified the padding. We want it to be in the center. We have written text decoration none because we don't want underline or anything. Then we have written display inline block. What do we mean by display inline block? So it is appearing like a block. And for the background color we have given red for the hovering and the active when we click over it. So we have already click now see, when I take hovering it's red, otherwise it's blue. There is no text decoration, the text is white. So all the properties are according to what we specified. So now what all things are possible in the links? I'm going to repeat. You can specify the background color, you can create a button, you can do the hovering, then you can do the text decoration, and you can give in different colors to your links. So all this is done to beautify your website with number of links which you have created. Hope it is clear for everyone. Thank you so much.